Hey everyone, I'm Mrs. Heller, the PE teacher at Blackburn Elementary School, and we are continuing on our Earth Day lesson. And what we're using this time is not something per se you're recycling from your trash after you use it, but it's more something that you find around your house, and I know you all have it around your house, and it's a sock. We're gonna start with one sock, and then we're gonna build up to 2 socks later on in this activity. But the reason why we're using socks than tennis balls, again, because of Earth Day and recycling and reusing and repurposing, but also when we start doing their juggling skills, fundamentals, a sock or a juggling scarf is easier to learn from than just starting with a ball. So we're gonna work on our hand-eye coordination and also building our midline, which is using both sides of your brain. So first thing that you're gonna do is just do basic catch with yourself. So tossing it up, catching it with 2 hands, keep your eyes on the sock so that you can always make sure that you're catching it, okay? After you do that for a few minutes, watch it with the wind if you go outside like I do. It's so beautiful outside. But then you can cross it back and forth to each hand. If tossing it little is just where you are and level-wise, then go ahead and do that. If just tossing it back and forth like this is where you're at, you're still crossing that midline. And then amp it up a little bit, cross it back and forth, and then you can get really good. Keep your eyes on that sock. Toss it back and forth, side to side. If you want some challenges with one sock, you can toss it up and clap in between before you catch it. Start with 1 clap, then do 2 claps. See how many claps you can get. You can go all the way down to the ground before you catch it, trying to get as many claps as you can. So for example, tossing up, and sometimes you might drop it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, challenge yourself. If you want more of a challenge, you can add a spin while you toss it up, but make sure your eyes stay on the sock. So you toss it up, spin, catch it, okay? Tossing it up, spin, catch it. Make sure you have space in the area that you're doing it and that you're being safe. You don't want to be by a table, you don't want to be by stairs, okay? So make sure that everything is safe. Then you're gonna add a second sock. So I have 2 right here. And now we're really gonna add up the challenge. One of them is gonna go high and make kind of like a rainbow. The other one's gonna stay right in front of your tummy, your chest, and try to pass it to the other hand. So you're doing 2 actions at once. So you really gotta pay attention what you're doing. Your hands gotta know where you're tossing the ball, and your eyes are being active as well. So you're tossing up, handing it over to the other hand. Tossing it over, hand it on over. You're really using both sides of your brain. Toss it up, hand it out over. And this is building you up for juggling, okay? Hold on, there's an airplane passing by. After you do that for a few minutes, it's so beautiful today. There it is. Just some things I never thought I was gonna have to teach around. But I live in Green Valley and there's a small private airport right over here. So hopefully that's the only airplane. But anyway, after you do the rainbow and crossing a catch, your last challenge with the socks, when they're flat like this, is called cross, cross, catch, catch. So you're gonna cross, cross, catch, catch. So one hand goes across, catch, catch. And this is building us up for juggling. All right, so again, just like the rainbow and passing it over, you really got to pay attention. I'm gonna be honest, I'm a human. I'm gonna drop these probably once or twice. All right, you also have some factors like the wind, so keep practicing. All right, so cross, cross, catch. Oh, I dropped one. I told you. There's one. Ready? Cross, cross, catch, catch. Got them both. Sorry if they go out of the frame too. Cross, cross, catch, catch. Cross, cross, catch, catch. Move over here in case it goes over there. Cross, cross, catch, catch. And I will say, the smaller or lighter the sock, the easier it's gonna be to practice those things. Go ahead and try those out. Give it some time to practice. You're only gonna get better with progress, all right? Have fun. See you next time.